Even the most sophisticated digital vault is effectively useless if the service provider chooses to grant access to your data from the inside. Many free VPNs operate on this exact compromise. While you avoid an upfront subscription fee, you are often trading away the privacy that the software is supposed to protect. Unverified apps must cover costs. This table illustrates how providers monetize through data harvesting, ads, and outdated encryption. Some notorious providers go further, turning your device into a botnet node. Free proxies fail here too, lacking traffic encryption to maintain actual anonymity. In these scenarios, the $0 price tag is a distraction. The actual cost is the integrity of your personal information and your hardware. To maintain security without a subscription, you have to move towards freemium models managed by established cybersecurity firms. These companies provide the same encryption standards as their paid tiers, ensuring your data remains private even if you aren't paying for the service. However, because infrastructure is expensive, these providers create incentives for you to upgrade. They do this by limiting locations, throttling connection speeds, or restricting device numbers. This differs from a freemium trial, which offers full, unhindered performance, but only for a very short window of time. Choosing a VPN involves identifying which specific operational limitation, whether it is a time limit or a speed cap, best fits your daily browsing habits. For those who need a permanent solution with a $0 budget, ProtonVPN is the most reliable entry point. As this comparison matrix shows, Proton stands out by offering unlimited data and an audited no-logs policy. Their apps are also open source, allowing the public to verify their security claims at no cost to the user. The constraints appear in performance. Users are limited to medium speeds due to server crowding and can only secure a single device at a time. Furthermore, you cannot choose your server location. The system randomly selects a connection from only 5 available countries, which removes your ability to target a specific region. While Proton provides a verified no-logs environment, its randomized location assignments make it difficult to access specific foreign streaming libraries or bypass regional blocks. If those limitations are too restrictive, you can use short-term trials to access premium features. NordVPN is a benchmark for this high-performance approach. In our matrix, you can see a 3-day window of full access is available, provided you sign up through the Google Play Store on an Android device. This unlocks the highest connection speeds and allows you to manually route your traffic through 178 different locations, depending on your needs. RAN-only servers function without persistent storage, meaning there is no physical hard drive for a third party to seize or analyze. The premium tier also includes Threat Protection Pro, which actively filters out trackers and malware at the browser level before they can interact with your system. For a longer evaluation, their 30-day money-back guarantee covers up to 10 devices simultaneously, though this requires an initial payment that you must later reclaim. NordVPN removes the technical compromises of free apps, but it introduces the logistical task of managing a very short trial or navigating a refund process. Surfshark provides a middle ground for users who want a longer testing period with fewer platform restrictions. The matrix now reflects Surfshark's 7-day trial, which is accessible through both the Apple and Google App Stores, as well as their own website. Even with a lower price point for its paid plans, it maintains high-tier features like RAM-only servers and allows you to protect unlimited devices on a single account. It also features tools like Clean Web for ad blocking and camouflage modes that help users bypass strict network filters in restricted regions. Surfshark offers a more flexible balance, giving you a full week to test the service and a more affordable subscription path if you choose to keep it. Choosing between these tiers depends on your specific daily tasks and how much friction you are willing to tolerate in your workflow. This decision tree helps map those needs. First, we have the zero-spend pragmatist, who needs security for public Wi-Fi but refuses to pay for a subscription. That path leads to ProtonVPN. It provides the necessary security, though users must work around the lack of torrenting support and streaming unblocking. Next is the task-specific trial seeker, who needs premium features for a specific event or a weekend of international streaming. These users should utilize the Nord or Surfshark App Store trials, provided they are diligent about canceling before the billing cycle begins. Aligning your budget with the expected duration of your project is the most effective way to avoid the risks of unverified free software. Finally, we have the power user, who streams, torrents, and requires constant protection for every device in their household. This profile is best served by using the 30-day guarantee period to find a permanent service that removes all technical bottlenecks from their daily routine. For these users, paying a small monthly fee is the only way to eliminate the speed and location limits found in free models. Illuminated pulses of light travel through a fiber optic network, representing the frictionless data flow that characterizes a premium, high-performance VPN connection. Your digital privacy has a value. You must decide whether to pay for that protection with your wallet, your time, or by accepting functional limitations.